Hey, it's Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to block messages on Instagram. So first what you want to do is open up Instagram, and before we continue, please subscribe to the channel, helps me out a lot. And then what you want to do is you want to find a random account or account from your friend. So I'll just take this one for example, and first thing to do is to actually block them. If you block them, they won't be able to write you any messages, tag in your stories, and etc. And the second way is to open somebody you're following like so. We need to click on following, and then you see the mute button, and you can mute posts, stories, and notes. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.